Hello Sagittarius, this is your channel messages for the 10th of August. Sagittarius, let us go. I have nothing to say to you unless this is something about, never mind. I'm hearing I will do anything just for you, make you feel happy and I'll never make you blue. I will do anything just for you, sacrifice all love and never it is going. Why? Sagittarius, let us go. I feel like you are in demand, Sagittarius, but you are not in love. Does that make sense? Me getting a lot of girls want you, but you don't feel loved by these women. You feel wanted. Welcome to being a woman. Let us go ahead and go into your reading. We have Bible. Okay, so I'm getting you're a loyal man. Joseph, are you willing to take care of another man's baby, even if that man was a ghost? Anyways, Sagittarius, Bible. So I'm getting you actually a very loyal man. You actually, people might see as a player, people might see as somebody who just sexual, somebody who just love into drugs or alcohol. Me getting you very quiet, you're very introverted. Me getting you really, really religious. Me getting if someone sat down and talked to you over cannabis. Me don't know why Kerry bought the fucking interview with Alkaline to go to fucking Cliff Hughes, bitch. Cliff Hughes. You could have went to Anthony Miller. Brody, you could have got on the Al Rick show. You could have done so much fucking things, Brody. Like, you got Cliff Hughes. Why you never sit down with somebody and I get high? Just like how Adisha Palmer disappointed the Schengen community when Mr. Adisha Palmer wicked. Adisha Palmer come out of prison, perform Lodi with Shenseya. And Shenseya. So now me in a girl. Pussy fat up in a short head feels when me walk past. No. Right, him come out on stage singing a song with Shenseya. What that was so-called alleged that Shenseya did steal, sponsored by Ramesh Records, right? And then him going go on the Drink Champions and talk some shit about how she said she did write it. I just get why him double take. And him a talking about weird accent. Him gone upon Drink Champions in a Florida come embarrass Shenseya. I thought was a thief and him never approved it. So why you come out and perform a song with her on your big stage in America? Why you use the Schengen community? And you already had the Gaza nation above you. Anyways, me getting actually you're a very religious man. If people did really sit down and talk to you in your comfort zone, then would I be very surprised. For example, Alkaline came out with a music video when he was doing Coca-Cola, right? Okay. Me getting if you sit down around him and talk to him while him doing Coca-Cola, me getting him a talk some biblical things. So maybe that's what it is, because Sagittarius is a half man, half animal. Which means you have animalistic tendencies. But why? You're still a human. Why? We're getting something about the Bible. Which animal the Bible speak of? Relating to the human. Is there a Bible? Is there an animal? Hello? Is there an animal in the Bible that was sacred to humans? Because I only know a fruit. It's a fruit. I only know the fruit that was sacred or an abomination was the apple. Where was Baby Yoda? Baby Yoda! You look like a busted can of biscuit. Anyways, yeah, Bible. I'm getting you very religious. You're actually very, very, very calm. I'm getting a very loyal prophet. Look at that. Look at that. Spreading the word in the nation. You probably say, hey, babe, what's up? Girl, you want to read Bible and chill? No, Netflix and chilling. Me getting somebody. Me getting is not what you do. It's what you think about. Because me getting maybe you act like a demon. No, you're an angel. I'm sorry, you're an angel, Sagittarius. But me getting, even when you do demonic things, you see yourself as perfect. But it's not perfect to the world. You're doing things angels want to do. But me getting you have your reasons. Be a prophet, Bible. Me getting you very religious. You're very monogamous people. You know, monogamy means you only one person at a time. You only talk to one person at a time. You only text one person at a time. You don't have any side niggas or side bitches. Prophet and Bible, Sagittarius. We have Gemini and we also have Destiny Swap. No, Sagittarius, your opposite is Gemini, the twins. I'm getting you want somebody exactly like you, just like the Bible. You take a wife as holy as you. Gemini is a siblings. So I don't know if your brother or your sister or your mom's or your dad's is attracted to you. And if that's not it, because Gemini is a siblings, me getting when you're with somebody, you want you and them to be alike, but me getting when you're with them is like you start be him and him start being you. Me getting Destiny Swap, Prophet, Bible, or me getting a little one religious man and him I tell you for change. Me getting something about him I take you. You know, like how Kevin Gates take Brittany aura from her and he used it, and he took Drea's aura from her and used it. Me getting like he's taking your aura. Okay, me getting Gemini, they're the opposite. Okay, love at first sight. Love at first sight when him see me last night. Him say him can't get over me and me can't get over him. Baby Yoda, I will make you a wine up on me, so boy, fall in love. Me will buy him a ticket to Barbados. Fall in love, cause him pretty nickel have me coming back. Anyways, me getting something about love at first sight. Me getting somebody see you, them in love with you, them really like you. Again, me getting somebody have a player attitude. They're not usually the committed type. We have crying. Ooh, cry, tears, tears. This is for somebody who will cry if you hurt them feelings or you disrespect them or humiliate them to themselves. Them will get intoxicated and cry, but in public them singing, me have couple dog when you were dead for me. That I say love, that I say loyalty. Before you fuck with the family, just try remember me, right? But me getting like when he's sad and when I'm alone, him saying, yo, answer the bumble cloud phone now. No, delete. Yo, you know someone I call you. Just answer. True love go on and on and on and on. On and on and on. First love go on and on and is what is happening, Kerry, you need to check on your brother. Anyways, I'm telling Kerry to check on her brother. God knows what the fuck is happening with mine. Let us go. Who we doing? Sagittarius. First card out. Yeah, me getting it in love. Me getting your one love. Yeah, Bible. Gemini. You got trade places. Maybe you're trading places as in you get a wife, she have kids, and you turn the mother. You have the kids all the time. You changing diapers, you waking up. Me getting me getting the whole relationship, it was 50-50. And me getting when I had kids, she did 20% of the work and you did 80. Me getting you love the kids, you dress the kids, you do everything with the kids. Me getting you want love. Bible, prophet. Me getting you actually want it. Me getting you love your wife but you want kids. Kids is what you want. Me getting you love her for the kids. Which can be dangerous, because if you love her for the kids, there's things you will decide because of the kids, not because of her. And if you... Okay, never mind. We have the Justice card. Are you taking the kids? Something about the kids? Me getting the father has the kids. Maybe you're a man, you're looking for love. Me getting you have kids. We have the page of me getting your oldest, maybe under 15 or 15. We have the two of, so I'm getting the oldest back and forth. So I'm getting you have kids, you're an older man, back and forth. The kids go to the mother half of the time. Maybe the mother has custody, but you see the kids sometime. You might see the kids at their home. The kids don't come to yours. It could be something like that. I'm kind of getting somebody, I'm sorry, I didn't even show you the cards. I'm sorry, I'm getting that somebody might ask you for relocate and live somewhere else with them. Like somebody might ask you to go to a foreign country, relocate with me. If we have kids, I know the system here. You don't have to worry about anything here. I will get the kids into school. I know where to go. Yes, the wife is the foreigner, but me getting the husband. Me getting something about the husband for work. Is this a lawyer? We have the Ace of Wands and the Emperor. Yeah, me getting the husband. Me getting a very, very... Me getting this person have money. This person have an empire. Me getting this person have real estate. But me getting somebody's very... I just see it on YouTube when there was a clip of A$AP Rocky saying how he have a sex addiction. And then them clip the fact that Rihanna is pregnant with her third child to that. Only don't do that. Because it's a long time Rihanna and A$AP was having sex. And if so be the case, if it was a sex addict, then every single time both of them had sex, they would have a baby. We would be on baby, what Rihanna baby name? RZA 13. We would be on baby 13. So if you were supposed to have a baby in life, let's be fucking honest. Let's be honest for a second. Bible, okay? Because the punishment Eve got from fucking a snake was you'd feel pain during childbirth. So if you never did the snake, you'd get childbirth without pain. Now, Eve and Adam never had babies in the Garden of Eden. They had babies after they were banished from the Garden of Eden. And then when Eve and Adam had a baby, they had to repopulate. So who, the daughter or the son, the mommy or the daddy? And the problem I'm trying to say is that if you were supposed to have a baby, every time you have sex, you don't have a baby. Why every time you have sex, you don't have a baby? Well, why do women have cycles? Why does 10 days, if you have sex with her, you're 99.9% going to get her pregnant, but 20 days, if you have sex with her, the same exact way, she not get pregnant? Why? Anyways, Bible. And you should know, babies who get pregnant with girls on the cycle of the first day, babies who did get pregnant because the girl was in the 5th day of our cycle, ovulating, and babies who get pregnant on them 10-day ovulation, they don't come out the same. One of them estrogen just release, one of them is potent and it just a finish. So even a moment when you did conceive, that have a big part to play with the fetal development. This is not Miss Medical Advice, YouTube technicians. Google. Anyways, yeah, Bible. So me getting, you want it all. You want one girl, one woman, you want the kids. So maybe you have an addiction. You're getting a lot of sex. Then you need to find a girl who love for fuck too. If this is the so-called argument about you having a sex addiction, you don't have to cheat on anybody. You just find a girl who like for have sex. Maybe the complaint is you marry a girl, you're with a girl, or after she have baby, she don't want to have sex with you. She choose, she withhold it, so you look for it somewhere else. If that is the argument, you're with a girl who love to have sex. And then that's how you balance it, sex addiction. And you need to talk about it, even though it's embarrassing. Anyways. We have a 6 of Pentacles. Are you paying prostitutes? We have the 8 of Cups, and we have the 2 of Wands. If this is a woman you were dealing with in your past, I'm getting that's why the relationship broke up. I'm getting you're saying you're a great father. I'm getting you're paying other women. Okay, escorts. Okay, now prostitutes are usually hookers, people on the sidewalk. Escorts are very classic. Them smell better, them look better. They take taxis. They don't be taking fucking TTC. Like that's a prostitute. If she's an escort, sweetie, that's top notch. Like that's top notch. See, escort is like the type of educated. See, don't mean to throw anybody underneath the bus or underneath the table. Remember, if you type in escort, they're on the classic. The escorts was OnlyFans girls. And then prostitutes was the girls who just walked the sidewalk with lipstick, never ever matched the shade, the eyeshadow. Those were the prostitutes. The escorts were high class. Them and the girl them in a lingerie about take picture. They had photo shoots. You ain't seen no motherfucking prostitute getting photo shoots, bitch. What the fuck? Anyways, I'm going to leave it here. Should I leave it here? We have the So we have 2 of Wands, 3 of Wands, turning your back twice, 2 times. Or somebody saying after you have kids it change. But me getting the man want it forever. So maybe I said that, I don't know if you're with a woman and you had kids with her and things change and you say when you step out with her, it don't mean you don't love her. Brody, you have to save that. Somebody will care. You cannot say, I don't know what you want. I'm getting some about sex. A lot of sex. I'm getting sex. The Emperor. The Emperor also have a penis. This could be you don't want to have sex. You don't want to have it. I'm getting you can't go very long without sex. You can live in a house with a woman, sleep in the same bed, raise kids, and you have sex like once a month. That's your speed. I'm not sure if the speed is by force. We have crying and we have Bible. Are you being a more religious man? Maybe you're doing semen retention while you live with a woman. She might take it personally, but communication is what have to happen between both of you, Sagittarius. You're getting very holy. Are you getting very religious since you had kids? Bible, crying, Gemini. Or you wish your wife or you wish your girlfriend was like you. I'm guessing you wish someone was exactly like you. Just a girl or just a boy in the opposite sex form. I'm going to leave it here. Until next time, Sagittarius. Bye.